Good afternoon, Warriors. Today is Thursday, September 17th, 2020. Taking a look at our homework for this evening. In math, we have got a worksheet called Adding and Subtracting Fractions. Please remember you're only doing the front side of this worksheet. We are not doing the back, as we'll get to that at a later point in time. In accelerated math, we've got lesson 2.7, dividing decimals. Across the board in science, there is no homework. In social studies, you need to finish the Google form titled Practicing Latitude and Longitude. Remember, with this, you must use your atlas, okay? The atlas is going to be very important here. In language arts, we need to review the study guide that is found at this link here. All right, for a writer's notebook for our quiz that's coming up tomorrow. An example question in a writer's notebook. What was the big idea from Chapter 1, Unforgettable Stories? When you're looking at the accelerated language arts class, they've got an assignment called abstract nouns. In literature, remember parts 1 and 2 are due by 3 p.m. today of our vocabulary activity. The good thing is most of you have already done that. Also, AR is due October 9th. That is coming up. We need to keep reading and taking AR tests. For career and life, we need to start brainstorming what you'll do for your working on working project. And in FCS, we need to finish the first part of the worksheet and stop at how do you prepare to communicate. Now that you've made it this far, this is the first opportunity for extra credit this year being offered in science class. All right, we started with the metric system, and there's a little song that was learned today. If you can come to room 103 to Mr. Sperling before school tomorrow, so that means when you're dismissed from the cafeteria between then and 7:49 and sing this song to me by having it memorized, you'll have the opportunity to earn extra credit points in science. So just to refresh everyone's memory, here's the song. Kilo, hectadeca, meter, liter, gram, deci, centi, milli, genius, yes I am. Remember, Mr. Sperling, by 7:49 tomorrow, room 103. Come and sing that to me, and you will get some extra credit in science. Have a wonderful Thursday.